Hello guys, welcome back. In this tutorial today I'm going to share with you one withdrawal proof of the website. I share with you this website in past videos. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. All my videos are free on our website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this all website. If you like my videos, just subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is the website. I earned this much coins in my website. Right now you can see in my balance I just want to withdraw like a feyorra. I just click feyorra. I have the wallet address and just I click withdraw. This website pay me instantly to my faucetpay. I go to my faucet to share with you the withdrawal proof of this website. Did this website pay me or not? I come down. Okay guys, now you can see I received 2 feyorra, 2.6 feyorra from that website, and this website link available in description. You can click the link and come here, join this website, and you can earn much more cryptocurrency from this website. And you have much more ways you can earn your free cryptocurrency, like you can visit the short links, you can visit it, and you can earn more than me. And just subscribe to my channel. Bye bye for now.